Hello all, this is Rohit working at Godspeed Systems. Today I'm gonna show you Godspeed's latest feature, VS Code extension. You can find out here Godspeed language tools. Okay, just click here, install it. I'll show you how it's running and all. So yeah, as you can see, Godspeed YAML's grammar installed successfully. If this message pop up in your window, so congratulations, your extension is installed successfully in your VS Code. So yeah, so basically this does that. This will help you to improve your productivity by autocomplete your events and workflow. I have to type one event, so I'll just type Godspeed. You can select your event or workflow what you want. So select. You can select your data source over here. Which type you want? HTTP, Kafka, Salesforce, cron. After that, your method and the endpoint that you are going to use. You can see here a couple of things are coming like params. If you don't want it, just remove it. That's okay. Or else if you want again the params bodies something like that, you can just type params. Their suggestion will pop out the params. You can just hit enter and use your params like that. Also the body is also you can use these functions to get your personalized things or create your things with the help of some default values. Okay, so let's say I'm going now. This is about the functions. This is all about the events. So now let's go to the workflows. So let's say we are trying something out here. First of all, we have to create some basic syntax of the Godspeed workflow. Okay, here is the summary, description, ID, all of that, and you want to create some task. Let's say so if you type just task over here, it will show all the list of tasks. Just say if else. You can see now all the if else inbuilt task is pop out, and you can use it and customize this whatever you like return is also there. Okay, com.js.log is also here. Switch is also here. This will improve your productivity by sure. Parallel over here, right? All of our tasks, inbuilt tasks of the Godspeed can pop out here. You can easily write your workflows without any syntax errors and all. There are a couple of conditions in here like ID should not be mentioned any space and all that. It will be show some error like this. Okay. Yeah. This will make sure that your workflow goes well, and at the time of your running your project, it will not throw any error or something like that. Not mistake. The number of mistake will eventually reduce, so that it will help your productivity also. Only work with Godspeed. So if your project is Godspeed, then only it is working. So yeah, in other cases it will not work. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy the function and enjoy the video. Thank you.